Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save a support ticket as a PDF file to the Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Freshdesk, and some support tickets that we have created. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, let's now go to Freshdesk. Via Freshworks, click on freshworks.com and wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now click on go to account, and this will take us directly into the account. We now want to go to the left hand side navigation menu, go to tickets, and then let's click into a support ticket that could be closed or open. And then on the top navigation menu where we have reply, add note, forward, close, merge, delete, we want to click on more, which will allow us to then go to print, and from here we can then change to save as PDF file, and this will then give us the option to save directly to the desktop. Click on save. Let's go to the desktop, and there we have it. Let's now click on the PDF file, which will open up in preview, and here we have that support ticket that we have saved directly to the desktop, which we can access for future use if we ever needed to refer back to that technical issue that may have arisen by the clients, the customers, or yourself, just for your reference. So we can now quit preview, go back to Safari, close out of that support ticket, and we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.